Hey guys, what's up? It's Katie back in the AFI DIY lab with some cleaning product formulations for y'all to try out today. Go ahead and sub to our channel and ring that bell icon so we can get started making some super foamy glass and window cleaner. To start, I already have my deionized water pre-measured and ready to go in our mixing beaker. Up first, I'll be adding the Bioturge PAS 8S. This ingredient is a hydrotrope, meaning it'll help the water in our formula grab to that grease and grime that's on the surface. Up next is Amonix Ella, which is the primary foaming agent of this formula. This is what's going to give it its fun, fluffy bubbles. Now that we have this poured in, I'm going to go ahead and grab our 99% isopropyl alcohol. Now I'm going to add that in and stir it all together. But when we stir it, we're going to want to make sure we stir it gently so we don't have any foaming, which will make it easier to pour later on. Now we can customize our cleaner. But first we need to add in our preservative. Because this formula is water-based, we absolutely need to add in preservative to prevent any of that icky stuff growing in over time. Today I'll be using Optifin MIT+. I'm going to add this in. We love to help you find the perfect fragrance for any application. So go ahead and check out our web store and give us a call to learn more about the tens of thousands of fragrances here in our library. I use the advanced filter options on the web store to search the industrial and house cleaning fragrances and picked out fresh linen. Perfect. Finally, you can choose to package this product as is or can spruce it up with a little water-based colorant of your choice. Because this is a glass and window cleaner, I chose the color blue because consumers know exactly what to expect before even reading the product label. And give it one last good stir to make sure everything's homogenized. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my funnel and my spray bottle so I can transfer this into my bottle. We made 16 ounces of cleaner, which costs about $1 to make in total. You can sell wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $4 to $6. Make sure to give our video on all-purpose cleaner a watch for another product you can add alongside with this one in your line. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. Drop us a like and comment down below and let us know what you want to see us make next. That wraps up today's video. Drop us a like and comment down below what you want to see us make next. Until next time, I'm Katie, and on behalf of AFI, I hope you have a great one. Bye!